Are you guys actually back for more commentaries? You guys aren't tired of my cringiness commentaries? Well, I love you guys, and thanks for coming back. What's up, guys? I'm Mike Wynn, and welcome back to the commentaries. Today, featuring blind Asian man drives car into pole. I'm just kidding. I don't even know if he's Asian. Let's see, I'm really looking for another car and I stumbled upon this car. The owner tells me that it is just slightly damaged. Carfax is clean, no real issues. You can buff things out or something. How the hell the guy is still alive? The car is no more. He the inside the car. I don't understand how this guy is still alive. He got the 9 life or something. You guys know I come from NorCal. I don't know why I said it like that. That's stupid. I come from NorCal and I grew up with Bay Area styling with music of NorCal mixture with a little bit of SoCal influence. Tap the balls there. And here, I personally think it is sick. And if I had an unlimited amount of bank account, I personally would probably have one. I'm not no joking at all. Tell me in the comments below if you think a lifted car with 34s, 54s, 102s, if you guys would like that. Just give me a big yes or no.
Oh, no.
Yes.
No.
Yes, that's cool. No? You guys don't think?
No.
I think, look at that. The thing is, monster truck, it doesn't need to slow down for nobody. He go over a Mini Cooper, go over a smart car, speed limit is no problem.
Oh, no, ain't no way y'all did that bids like that. What in the entire is going on?
Look at that, clearance is hella high. Say goodbye to your Cali converter, someone's gonna jack that shit. You guys can't see a little Asian man hop into that car, drive around on my 34s, 54s, whatever they are. We've all seen drifting a lot on YouTube lately. Adam LZ's fucking sick as hell. FD, we've seen Haggard drift a bunch. Orion, we've seen Formula Drift a bunch, right? And we see me drift a little bit, just very little. But have you seen NASA drift? Oh, you thought mad angles on Adam LZ? Check out the NASA drifting.
Whoa. Awesome. Oh yeah, this is incredible. It's just a little unique, a little different. Great.
This next one, are you guys ready to get mind effed? Look at this, the boat and a truck. Or is it?
Back a little farther. Oh, he's gonna slam on brakes.
That is cool.
Whoa. That's cool to me because I grew up boating and that's so, okay. All right, sorry, moving on, next video. There is no secret in this world. I want to collect all the Skylines one day. I've got one, oh, so sad, only one, but I'd love to have all of them. Dream garage right here. Alright guys, today is a short video. I'm gonna get back to hanging out with my daughter today. Thank you so much for watching. Any questions, leave comments below. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter at Smurfinwrx. Hit a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Asian bow to you guys, and see you next episode. Peace out.
No. What in the entire